I know some of you may have heard about this, but this is a tactical arbitrage extension or add-on product called Tactical Bucket, and I wanted to go through some of the features of it. My friend Javier San Juan created this software, and it's basically a one-stop shop for all the tactical arbitrage plugins that he's currently uses. So I'll go through some of the bulk list tools. The premium bulk lists, right now, these are all set up to be free. We don't know how long they're going to be free or anything like that, but he has, let's see, right now there's 220 stores. So what we can do is we can pick a store. It'll tell you what country it's from, if it's UPC matched or not. And we can go to generate list. So basically what this will do with this will show you all the available categories, and you can either select the top 400, select the top 100. You go through and actually pick the different categories that you want, and then you can generate a CSV file from that. So basically, you'll just save to CSV, and it'll give you your CSV file to plug into Tactical Arbitrage. It'll have all the information it needs. This will upload right into your TA account. The next part of the listing tool is the Xpaths. This is add-in Xpaths for sites that currently aren't supported. So basically what you do is you could just subscribe to a store that you think you may like. Ask you if you want to subscribe, and then you'll have access to download to get the XPath and to generate the list. If you want to see what the site has, you can. It's a hot link right to it, so you can just click on it, and you can see what it has and if it's a site that you're interested in getting. The next part is the multi-store bulk list. You can go through and you can search on anything you want. Say you want to look at shampoos. That's your product of the day. So you can type in shampoo, and what it's going to do, it's going to go through all the bulk lists available. Once it goes through, and it's going to look for that keyword. So it's going to go through and it's going to tell you the store domain here, how many products are in it. It's going to tell you, it's going to sort them by the most amount of products. So Bonanza has a bunch, and then you go to Ulta, hair and shampoo has 1,440. Pharmapex has 960. So you go and create, basically pick all the ones that you want to pick. And this will be, with all the different stores. And once again, you just save to CSV. You can upload this right into your Tactical Arbitrage account, and it has the format that it needs, and it'll go ahead and just search for OA deals for you. The next part of this is the Store Search Buddy. This I haven't really played around with a lot, so pardon me if I don't have all the details of what it does. So I think what it does, it tells me which stores I'm subscribed to and which ones I'm not. So basically I can subscribe to this store now, and it tells you which ones you can add to your account. The next feature, which is really cool, is the ASIN top list. So basically this is the Keepa top 100,000 ASINs. You can get the current week editions, the current month editions, the current week exits, the current month exits, historical exits. So you can go to, like, let's go to the baby, generate the top 100K. And instead of having this whole 100,000, if you want to specifically do, say, 1,000 products at a time, you can go from, I think I told him to make this so we can do it, type in a number. But say you want to go from 1,000 to 3,000. So you can, instead of downloading the whole 100,000, you can just download the range. Well, I guess we got a little bug here that I'll yell at him to fix. So we can download all. I guess he's got to fix that. All right, well, that's not working right now. But the way it's designed is this top 100,000 current week add-ins, that's all new. But basically, you can download the top 100,000 ASINs in all the different categories, or select a range within that category. He has US, UK, Germany. There's some Japan stuff. Last time I looked, that was actually in Japanese. So, and then the next thing you have is the ASIN extractor. And this is set up to pull big stores. I mean, Data L Company have pulled 840,000 items. Pharma Packs has pulled 72,000 items. Better World Books 295,000. Goodwill was 53,000 items. So it'll do a lot of large stores. Um, there's been some bugs off and on, but as with anything, Amazon doesn't really want you doing this. So this is always a work in progress. There'll always be things extra. Discount list. Basically, what this tells you is the discounts available, and this data is only as good as what's being supplied from the actual things, but you can sort these. Right now, they sort to the highest discount. So basically, it's telling you if you want to shop at Clark's, gift card spread is 25% off on gift cards, and giving assisted is 10% cash back. So this tells you the biggest discounts you can get. You can search for stores. Say you want Walmart. It's telling you gift card discount is 2.5% from Raise and 10% from Lee Money. Like I said, you'll actually have to go in and see what the regulations are. They all have different ones. Turbo cashback. I'm not that familiar with Lee Money, but that's that one. And the other thing it lets you do, if there's stores that you don't see yet, it lets you vote on the upcoming stores. So let's say you can see the people have already voted American Girl, Discount School Supply. So say you see a store that you really want, the ones that are at the top of the list are going to get priority. So the X means that this isn't currently supported by TA and that you'll need an Xpath with it. And once the Xpaths are created, the bulk list will also be created. Adorama is a UK supported site. So let's say I want Al's to be up there. I can vote Al's up, and now Al's going to have 3 votes. So that's basically what it is. It has 710 stores right now that we know of that can possibly be voted. So the other thing it lets you do is you can go to the main screen, go to your dashboard, is it has an invitation code. So if you want to promote this, you can take your invitation code and send it to your friends. And if they subscribe, you get free credits. I'm not sure exactly how that's going to be set up. That's really not my thing, but um, that's basically what it's going to do is you're going to be able to invite your friends and everyone's going to be able to get something. As far as the basic plan, which is free, it's not called basic, but the startup, which is free, includes all the bulk lists. And then if you want some of the extra tools that are available, the pricing is really reasonable. For $39 a month, you get 2 Xpaths per month and 5 ASIN extractor runs, full access to the discount list. And then your next month, you'll get an extra 2 Xpaths and access to your first 2, so you'll have 4. So if you wanted to get 8 custom Xpaths per month and 30 ASIN extractor runs, and then you get that many every month. So you get 8 every month. So it wouldn't be just the 8, it would be 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. So at the end of the year, you'd have 96 custom Xpaths added to your TA account. Any questions? Javier is very accessible, willing to answer questions. There's a Facebook group that I'll put a link to after this. And I've been beta testing this for quite a while. It seems really solid, so you can feel free to ask me questions. And if you are running Tactical Arbitrage, this is probably one of the best all-around plugins available for it.